안녕하세요 여러분. Hello everyone, I'm Spencer. 저는 Spencer라고 합니다. Articles are a stumbling block for many English learners. When do I use the? When do I use a? What about un? Today in this video, you will learn the difference between the and un. 끝까지 봐주시고 구독하고 좋아요 눌러주세요. Please watch to the end and remember to like and subscribe. Let's get started. 시작합시다. Let's start with the. The is a definite article. This means we use it to refer to specific nouns. It can be used with common nouns or proper nouns. Remember, common nouns refer to generic people, places, things, or ideas. For instance, boy, city, ball, love. They are not capitalized unless they start a sentence. Let's see a short dialogue and see the with a common noun. Did you try the soup? Yes, it was so delicious. Why did the speaker say the soup? This is because the speaker is talking about one kind of soup. Let's see another dialogue. Did you read the book? Which book? The mystery book you said you wanted to read. Oh, no, I didn't read it yet. Here, the first speaker is talking about a specific book. The mystery book they talked about before. So remember that the is used to point out a specific noun. One major difference of the is that it can be used with proper nouns. Remember, a proper noun starts with a capital letter and they name specific people, places, things, or ideas. Let's try a practice exercise. Can you find the mistake in this sentence? I met the Brad yesterday at the movies. Did you spot the mistake? If you said the Brad, you're right. Why is it wrong though? It's because the is pointless here. Brad already refers to a specific person. However, that doesn't mean you can't use it with a person's name. Take a look and see if you can spot the difference in this sentence. I met the Brad Pitt yesterday at the movies. Can you tell the difference? Here, the is okay because we're emphasizing that the person I met yesterday is the famous Brad Pitt that we all know. It's important to note that you have to emphasize the when you're saying this. I met the Brad Pitt yesterday at the movies. The can be used with some other proper nouns, such as job titles, the President of the United States, for example. There have been many presidents, but you're talking about one specific president. Finally, it can also be used with the names of some places. It is used with countries that have plural names, for instance, the Philippines and the Netherlands, or when there is a common noun in the name, the Republic of Korea, the United States of America. It's also used with rivers, the Amazon, seas, the Arctic Ocean, and mountains, the Alps. Finally, let's take a look at un. Un is an indefinite article. This means we use it to refer to non-specific nouns. It can only be used with common nouns that are countable, so don't use it with proper nouns. Let's try a practice exercise. Can you find the mistake in this sentence? I found a money. Did you find the mistake? If you said a money, you're right. We cannot use a with money because the noun money is uncountable. You cannot say one money, two monies, and so on. Instead, you can say, I found $1. I found a 50-cent coin. Dollar and coin are both countable nouns. So you can say $1, $2, 1 coin, 2 coins. Let's see an example dialogue with a. I want to buy a sweater. What kind of sweater do you want to buy? Here, the speaker is not thinking of a specific sweater. They just want to buy a sweater. So far, we've only seen examples with a. What about un? They are the same article, but the sound that begins the next word tells us which one to use. If the following noun starts with a vowel sound, like A, E, I, O, U, use un. For instance, an apple, an apple, an iguana, an iguana, an episode, an episode, an hour, an hour. If the following word starts with a consonant sound, use a. For instance, a girl, a girl, a skateboard, a skateboard, a mall, a mall, a horse, a horse. Even if it starts with a vowel, if it's a consonant sound, also use a. For instance, a university, a university, a user, a user. Let's review what we've learned. The major difference between the and un is that the is used with specific nouns that both speakers know about. It's a definite article. It can be used with proper nouns and common nouns. For instance, let's take a trip to the countryside. Let's take a trip to the countryside. I went to the Bahamas. I went to the Bahamas. Un is used with non-specific nouns. It's an indefinite article. It cannot be used with proper nouns, only common, countable nouns. For instance, I want to eat a salad. I want to eat a salad. She saw an elephant at the zoo. She saw an elephant at the zoo. 끝까지 봐주셔서 감사합니다. Thank you so much for watching to the end. And please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. 구독하고 좋아요, 알람 설정까지 부탁드립니다. And I'll see you next time. 다음에 봐요.